Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a video called making funny sounds. It's kind of like pissing people off, like what my cousin did. His name's Casey TV. Go and subscribe to his channel. He has like 25 subscribers, I think. So help him get to 30 and that'll be amazing. And also subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also click on notifications, which is that bell. Okay, here we go. Look, and by the way, there's people right, I'm going to show you them. There you go. See like someone's arm. See if they notice my beautiful sounds. Okay, here we go. The first one I like to call is a scream. Here we go. I'll do it again. See how people react. Does that guy react? He just walked away. Anything? Anyone's looking out? Anything? Anything? No. Okay. Next one is a quack. Quack! 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 No one reacts. I can hear the bell. Oh, they heard my quack. Here we go. Anyone? No. Okay. The next one is a fart. Anyone? Anyone again? There's no one. What the hell? Okay. The next one is called nothing. Nothing's happened, as usual. The next one is a let's check. Anyone? Wow, we have good contestants today. No one yet again. The next one is a usual. Anyone? Why is there no one reacting to my noises? They're beautiful. Man, they should be coming out their doors and clapping me right now. No one. There's genuinely no one here that wants to hear my beautiful noise. Okay. This one I'm going to do pretty much all of them. And I'm going to do one more special one. And then I'm going to end the video there. Okay. Semuanya, haha, hi ha, hey hoo hoo.